Hello, Western Michigan PMIers. I'm Roger Haskett. Some of you might recognize me. I was presenting at your Professional Development Day in October 2019, where I talked about the age of engage, how to create engagement, and the power of play. We had so much fun there that I'm excited and happy to let you know that I've been invited back February 10th and 11th to do 2 4-hour workshops as well as a dinner. Let me tell you about the workshops first. The first workshop is called Pressure Cooker Confidence, and in that we look at how to develop your internal power, how to deal with stress, and how to communicate more powerfully, how to rise up so that you can become a bigger, better, more powerful version of yourself when you need it and when it counts. I take my background in acting and teaching, and I use that to create motivating stories, inspiring ideas, and all sorts of playful interaction so that you can learn deeper and better. The next talk is The Me You Want to Be, which is the book that I wrote based on Pressure Cooker Confidence. So these two fit together, and they really look at how to create this internal power in yourself when you feel normally powerless. Anyone who registers for the workshops will also get a complimentary registration to the dinner the night before on February 10th, where I will have 2 talks, shorter talks. One is The Rise of the Participant, which is something we do want to be talking about and using in our life, how to activate our participation muscle and others, as well as magnetic communication skills for networking and beyond, which is a way of learning skill sets to help you walk into networking and enjoy it and have a good time and have it be meaningful to you. Now, if you're looking for PDUs, we will give you PDUs. If you attend the 2 workshops and the talks, you get 10. That's 10 PDUs. But it doesn't stop there. If you're a Western Michigan PMI member, please take advantage of the premier member pricing of $299 for it all. This is the lowest cost that you can get this event at, and it ends at midnight, January 10th, Friday, January 10th at midnight, or when the first 50 tickets are sold. So click on the link below and get your ticket fast so you get this awesome rate. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys February 10th and 11th at Hudsonville at the Pinnacle Center. I'm Roger Haskett. You guys are Western Michigan PMI, and I look forward to seeing you again.